About a year ago, I made a video where I showed you how we started renovating the kitchen in the house where we live now. And I left the video pending on some upcoming projects for further kitchen renovations. Well, today you get the follow-up. So, a next project to tackle was this white credensa that we use to store plates. I bought this one second-hand, but I don't like its white looks. So I started by stripping the paint on the top with a heat gun. The credensa was too heavy for me to move outside, and my husband was not home, so I came up with a little plan to catch all of the loose flying dust. It's a bit fidgety, but it worked like a charm, capturing all the dust. Look at that. Everything stayed within the plastic bag. and for the rest I stained the top with wood stain to make it a bit warmer. The only drawer handles that I found were silver in color. But I had nice bronze doorknobs, so I painted the drawer handles to match the color of the doorknobs. I like the credensa much more now. It fits well with the whimsy of our home. I have been lucky to stumble upon this lamp which I like a lot. It is a Moroccan glass lamp, but it also looks a little like a traditional Venetian caged pendant lamp, or maybe even a lamp straight out of Rivendell. In any way, as soon as I made the reference, my husband agreed. The lamp is not very heavy, but rather delicate, so to play on the safe side, I decided to hang it up with the help of hook and chain. And just like that, we had a cozy light in our kitchen.
Come, Molly. Come. Hey. Hey, Molly. Hey, Molly. Hey, Molly. Hey, Molly. Hey, Molly. Hey. Woo. Woo.
Another project that I had in mind was a rustic looking wooden spice rack. I like how they give a very homey look to a kitchen. A rustic looking spice rack goes together with rustic looking spice pots. The pots that I found are very simple, but I made the labels look a bit more old-fashioned. And there we go. I am very happy with the end result. Apart from the warm touch that it adds to our kitchen, it is also handy having all the spices easily displayed and within reach. I was left with one problem. We still didn't have a proper storage place for our glasses and cups. My original idea was to make a pending cabinet that would fit with the credensa underneath, but because of the pregnancy I didn't have the energy to start such a big project. And now that the arrival of baby is getting closer, I started to get more and more annoyed by the mess. So I thought of a quick solution. Open shelves in a kitchen have as a downside that cooking grease and dust will fall onto whatever is displayed on the shelves. but I think I prefer to do a monthly wipe down rather than daily having to look at how messy we always make the top of the credenza. Finally, our kitchen looks more ready than it ever did. There are still some little projects to tackle here and there, but now it looks so much more inviting. And that is most important to me, because after all, the kitchen is the heart of a home, especially when you live in Italy. Thank you for watching this video, and I wish you a lovely day.